Hi and welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403. So the Roblox Error Code 403 typically occurs when there is an issue with the permissions or access rights to certain resources in the game. So here are some steps you can take to try and resolve this error. So first of all, what you can do is to clear your browser cache. So start by clearing your browser cache and cookies because sometimes cache can interfere with the proper functioning of Roblox. So you can restart your browser after clearing the cache. Next is to disable browser extensions. So some browser extensions or plugins can conflict with Roblox and cause error code 403. Temporarily disable any extensions you have installed, especially those related to ad blocking or privacy. Next is to check your Roblox account permissions. So ensure that your Roblox account has the necessary permissions to access the game or resource you are trying to reach. Make sure you are not restricted or banned from this specific game or content. Next is to verify compatibility. Confirm that the game you are trying to play is compatible with your device or operating system. So check the game system requirements and ensure your system meets them. Next is to try a different browser. So if you're experiencing the error in one particular browser, just try accessing Roblox using a different browser. So this will help determine if the issue is browser specific. So you can try Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and even Microsoft Edge. So next is to disable antivirus or firewall because sometimes antivirus or firewall software can block Roblox from accessing certain resources, resulting in error code 403. So temporarily disable any such software and check if the error persists. And so if the error goes away, you can add an exception for Roblox in your security or software. So that is all for this video, and I hope it helped you in a way. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.